Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So for that what you need to do, let me tell you. For that what you need to do, first you can see this page coming here. So this page you can see click to add title and click to add subtitle. And what you need to do on click to add title, you can write your topic on which you are presenting a presentation. And in click to add subtitle you can add your name here. So first time my topic, let's take example, we are taking off Bugatti. Okay, Bugatti. Okay, Bugatti. And here I'm writing my name, so I will write my name here. Okay, I've written my name, and now I need some info. I will need more pages to write, but here are only one page. So what we will need, we have to take more pages. So how we will take more pages, let me tell you. You need to go to new slide and you need to click on this button and you will see 9 slides over here. Okay, and what you need to do, you can take any of them. Title slide is this slide only which we are using now, but I want to use title and content slide, so I will click on it and my slide will be here. So I want to write about Bugatti, so I will write information about Bugatti. Okay, information about Bugatti. And now I need to search about Bugatti. If you know anything from yourself, you can easily type it here. But if you don't know anything from Bugatti and you need to copy it from something, so let's take an example of Google and let's go to Google and check it. So first let's type Google and let's go to Google. So I've come on Google and now I will search information. Wait a moment. Information about Bugatti. Okay, information about Bugatti. So as you can see, many things came here. That automobiles, Bugatti was a German then French car manufacturer of high performance automobiles. So we will go on this. Let's go to Bugatti Wikipedia, and as you can see, many much information came here. As you can see, okay. So let's take the first one only for an example. So let's take okay, for this, wait a moment, you need to select it, double click and scroll it down. Okay, double click and scroll it down, and I need to select till here. And now what you need to do now, Control plus C, and after going to Control plus C you again need to go to PowerPoint presentation, and now you need to copy it. So how you will copy, you will have to copy from Control plus V. So I have copied it and it's fitting in mine, but I don't want blue color words in it, I only want black color words. So what you need to do now, it's a simple method. You need to click on these. Okay, you need to go there and now you need to type a word and then you need to give the space and need to write the same word. Now you can see it's coming in the black content. Okay, okay, this is, so I don't want to think many, I gave you example. And now I want to paste a picture of Bugatti. So what I will do, I will go to blank here and I will click on blank. So now what we need to go, we will again go to Google. I want a picture from Google. Wait a moment and open something else. Let's search Bugatti here and we will go to images and let's take a normal picture of Bugatti. So let's take this one, it's looking nice. So let's go to copy image and then let's go to presentation, and then let's go to here, right click and you can paste it. You need to maximize this, so what you need to do, you can do it by this. Okay, see, I have made it I maximized it and now I've done it from all sides. Okay, so as you can see, I've done it from all the sides. So now I think my presentation is done from here. So now what will I do? I need to add some creative items in it. So what I need to go, I need to use transitions and transmission animations in it. But before doing that, I want that I should add a background page to it. Okay, background page. So for that, what you need to do, you need to go on design and you will see some pages here. As you can see, pages here, some of the pages are here. You can browse for themes also from your folder, and you can save the current theme like it's saved like this only, and you have some colors in it. Okay, but I like this one. Oh, this one is nice. So let's put this one, and this will apply to all of them. So I like this one. And now let's go to transitions. Now what we do in transmissions, let me tell you. In presentation, what's the use of transitions? See, in my letter I can do it like this, I can do it like this. So these are transitions, and I will, when the presentation will be completed, you will see that it's very nice. So first, what we need, let's take something like, okay, let's take random bars only, and it's looking nice. So this is done for it. And now let's go to animation, and you need to select something. You need to select this, and then you can see this, see Bugatti, and I can do it for this also. um, let's do okay, no, this is not one. Okay, I'm telling you one more thing. If you don't like anything from here, what you can do, you can go to more entrance effects. Okay, you click on them and you will see these type of things here. Okay, more effects. Okay, so keep it at the side, and yeah, this is looking nice. So I will press OK and it will be saved. Now I need to do it for transitions for here. Okay, so let's do morph. No, this is not looking nice. It's looking nice but not that much. So you have many options here, as you can see. Okay, you have prestige also, wind also, flash also, which is not very nice. Fall over, I like this one, but let's put ripple. It's nice. Yeah, it's looking nice. And then animations. Now you can see nothing is you can see here. You cannot tap anywhere because first you need to select the text. Okay, so now let's go to more entrance effects, and you can see more here. Okay, so let's do curve up. No, that's not looking nice. Let's zoom. No. Let's go box. Wait a moment. Yeah, it's looking nice. And okay, we need to do, okay, I forgot it to do. So now I need to do for the text also. So let's go on the arrow key and let's go to more entrance effects and bring it at the side, and let's check diamond. Yeah, it's looking nice. Yeah, it's looking nice. Wait a moment. Let's check random also, wheel. Oh, this one is looking nice. The circle. Okay, let's do diamond only. It's looking nice. So done, and now I need to press OK. Okay, and then we need to press Bugatti. I need to do for Bugatti also. So Bugatti will not require any animation. If you want, you can put, but I will not put. Okay. So for Bugatti, let's do cut in one. Yeah, this is looking nice. Okay, so I think my presentation is done, and my whole presentation is done. So I need to see the presentation. I cannot see like this, and from here, if I will see, I will not see the animations and transitions I added to this presentation. So for what one you need to do, you need to go to this option. This will start your presentation, and you need to press your space bar for this. As you can see, Bugatti, Nayans Jain, and again spacebar, information about Bugatti, and these are the information. The second point, and this is a picture of Bugatti. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon and share with your friends. So thank you for the video. Till there, goodbye.